Happy Sunday. What's going on, guys? Today it is August 25th. Right now it's 7:54 in the morning here in Arizona, and I want to talk about this up and coming trading week. The most significant, most important thing that's going to happen this week, in my opinion, and you guys let me know down in the comment section, is Nvidia reporting earnings. Nvidia is set to report earnings on the 28th of August, and here is everything it is that you need to know about it. With that being said, again, Nvidia is a big tech company. It's one of the Magnificent Seven as of right now. It sits at over a $3 trillion market cap, if I'm not mistaken. And with that being said, the whole focus for this up and coming week is how Nvidia reports earnings and if it actually beats expectations. So let's go ahead and just jump right into that part real quickly. What is Nvidia's expectation for August 28th, 2024? For those that are not aware, this is going to be a live stream that we actually host for free on my YouTube channel. All I ask you to do is subscribe and drop a thumbs up. With that being said, on August 28th, after the market closes, Nvidia will be reporting earnings, and it has an EPS, which is an earnings per share expectation of 64 cents per share, and overall revenue to be 28.68 billion. If it comes in lower than what is expected, or its guidance comes in lower than what is expected, be ready for some sell-in pressure. So why is it so important, so crucial for Nvidia right now when it comes down to reporting earnings? Well, the rest of big tech, although they reported positive earnings, they lacked progress when it came down to their development in AI. And that's going to be the big focus. Nvidia is known as kind of the leader when it comes down to that. So the next big event for the market is the Chips Darling earning report, set for after the bell on Wednesday, which is after the market closes on Wednesday. One thing that I want to quickly emphasize is that, again, the past several weeks has been a roller coaster ride for big tech. Shares of AI giants such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet are down over the past 3 months, with Alphabet falling more than 6% and Amazon and Microsoft down more than 3%. So when you look at the overall influence that, Nvidia can have on the rest of big tech, I think this article does a really good job summarizing it. So Nvidia is the heart and lungs of this bullish tech trade as the AI revolution takes hold. There's no question that there is no bigger company when it comes down to AI focus than Nvidia. With that being said, a shock and awe quarter from Nvidia says could continue strong demand, which is true, right? So if it exceeds expectation and its guidance comes out better than what is expected, then that can definitely send the markets higher for longer. But if it doesn't, this would be the first time that Nvidia, at least in the past several quarters, does not actually exceed expectation. Expectation has always been high for Nvidia, but Nvidia has always delivered, at least in its past. So the question that I have for you is, based off of what you understand of what is going on, do you expect Nvidia to continue to exceed expectation? If so, then again, Nvidia is set to potentially go up. Or do you think that the AI hype is coming to an end and Nvidia is peaking? One thing that I found to be pretty interesting, and you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think, is that Nvidia's CEO, Jensen, is selling about $14 million worth of Nvidia stock almost every single day. And again, it's just not a good look. I think they do a pretty good job summarizing the whole idea behind it. So it says, however it is that you pronounce his last name, is selling his shares under a very specific plan, which again, he does disclose that he is going to be liquidating these shares, which allows executives and employees to buy or sell stock in their company without violating insider trading rules. So again, the idea of him selling at least $14 million sounds like a lot to people like you and I, right? But he owns 3.5% of Nvidia, which means that his overall net worth as of right now should be roughly right around $90 billion. So if you do take into consideration the $14 million that he is selling daily and the $90 billion valuation that he has, I mean, it's a drop in the ocean, right? It's a drop of water in the ocean. So nonetheless, again, just wanted to talk about, does he know something, or is he doing something consistently offloading Nvidia at these overbought levels in preparation for a potential pullback? Or is he just simply liquidating some shares? Obviously because he might be worth $90 billion, but a big misconception that a lot of people have is, well, they think that they just have that money liquid, and that's definitely not the case. So maybe he just wants a little bit more cash in hand, just in case the market does go into a downturn, that he can better prepare. Nonetheless, again, this Wednesday, August 28th, after the market closes, I would love to invite you to our free live session that we're going to be hosting as we watch the market react to Nvidia reporting earnings. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. And again, all I ask you to do is to drop a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so I can keep you guys up to date. Also, if you want to tune on into my live trading session tomorrow, right at market open, I trade live every single morning. It's designed for complete beginners, and I would love to see you there. That's that second link in the description down below. And in just a few days on September 1st, the price will double. So if you want to get in for half the price right now, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and it's the second link in the description down below. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.